Good morning, friends. Welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in selection MCQ series for retail banking and wealth management, and today's topic is retail asset products. Retail asset means basically loans related to retail. There are two types of loans. Okay, I'll explain you everything. Let's start the topic first. Okay, retail asset products. Okay, firstly, tell me what are the types of loans. Here, there are two types of loans mainly. Okay, one is commercial loan, second is retail loans. Commercial means what? All that CC, term loan, pre-shipment credit, post-shipment credit, packing credit, line of credit, all these which are given to the companies. Okay, so commercial loans, I'll write it over here. Commercial, okay, to the company's name itself it means commercial, and second is retail. So retail means all of the loans which we give, that is home loan, personal loan, loan against shares, gold loan, all these loans, right? So major retail lending products are given below. So what is the topic? Our topic today is not commercial loans. Commercial loans we have a separate topic. That's not a topic of retail banking because we are in retail. So here we will be studying retail loans, home improvement loans, auto loans, gold loans, then loan against securities. All these we will be studying. Okay. So let's start. See this, home loans. What are home loans given for? Home loans are always given for purchase or construction of new or old house or flat or extension of the already built house. Remember important point, purchase or construction of a new or old house means what? New or old house. Suppose if I am having some old house and I want to construct it back, okay, reconstruct it. So home loan can be given for that. New house or old house, and importantly remember flat. In this flat, the point over here is you can't give a loan for building the flat, constructing the flat, because that becomes a builder finance. Suppose if I give that for the construction of flat, that becomes a builder finance, because who constructs the flat? The developer constructs it. Do you and me construct the flat? No, we buy that flat, right? So we buy that flat once it is constructed. So that becomes a purchase of flat. For purchase of flat, it's allowed. But construction of flat, it's a builder finance. That has higher rate of interest. Always remember, builder finance has higher rate. And that comes under commercial loan. Because after all, builder is who? Builder or developer is a commercial person, right? So house or flat or extension of already built house. Okay. Extension of already built house means if I am having some house of mine, and I want to increase one or two rooms. So home loan can be given for that. Depending on the sanction plans and everything, the documentation should be clear. Second is home improvement loans. Home improvement loan means what? Decor loans, home improvement, we call it various names. Improvement means I am having the house, now I want to paint it. I want to get a new furniture. So for that also I can get a loan. So that is called as home improvement or decor loans. So that is given for what? For repair, renovation, upgradation, painting and other repairs. So here, one thing you note, here the house is already there. I am just giving the loan for repairing, renovation and painting, etc. Okay. The maximum amount of money that can be borrowed through home renovation loan is 75 lakhs as offered by most of the banks. So if I can give a loan for home renovation only up to 75 lakhs. Beyond that, home renovation loans are not allowed. Okay. So home improvement, renovation, decor loans are maximum up to 75 lakhs. Then is what next? Auto loans. To buy a new car, old car, two-wheeler, etc. So new car, old car means here, one thing always understand, we definitely easily give the loan for new car, easy. But if I come for a old car, bankers are very reluctant to give the old car loans. Reluctant means what? The problem is I don't know what is the level of that car, what is the depreciation of that car, or what has happened to that car, what is the valuation of that car, I don't know. So that's why bankers are always reluctant to give the loans on second-hand cars or two-wheelers, both of them. But now what has happened, this old car segment, all the registered players have come in. Means Maruti, Maruti car, the Maruti car company has come into second-hand market. Car dekho. What is car dekho? Same thing, right? Car dekho, car becho, thousand things, right? All these are organized sectors. So what are they doing? They check the old car first, they value it first, and then based on that we give the loan. So there is a third party involved now. So that's why wherever there is a third party involved, banks can easily give the loans. Okay? Two-wheeler loan. Banks were very reluctant to give two-wheeler. How many of you have sanctioned two-wheeler loans in past 6 months in your bank? Just write to me. How many of you have sanctioned two-wheeler loans in your branch, from your branch? Type yes in the comment section if you have sanctioned. Everyone. Type yes. Right? None of you, almost none of you. Why is this happening? Because banks are reluctant to give the loans on two-wheeler. Why? Because the amount is less. But now remember, two-wheelers have changed. Now the two-wheelers are not for that 30,000, 40,000. Now the two-wheelers are minimum for 1 lakh. You check any two-wheeler, it is 1 lakh and more. Okay? So that's why auto loans, it includes two-wheeler loans also, and banks are 1 lakh is a good amount for lending, and that also mainly based on CIBIL only. Okay? Personal loans. Personal loans are unsecured, backed by personal guarantees. Now look at this, unsecured, backed by personal guarantee means I guarantee the bank that I will repay it. Am I giving any security? Any car, any bike or anything? Nothing. Personal loan means personal, unsecured, totally unsecured. Public sector banks are cautious in these loans due to the high rate of defaults, right? High rate of defaults are huge. Why? Because there is no collateral. But remember, now the things have changed. Things are changing in fact. Why? Because everything is now being based on CIBIL, and this is one of the major segments. Okay, personal loans. This is one of the major segments for the banks, because once you base everything on CIBIL, CIBIL score gives you the complete history of that customer, how that customer is, what is his financial history, what are the payment habit of that customer. Everything is known to you. Okay. Nowadays we are coming up with the next stage of CIBIL, that is called as account aggregator. If you have not heard, I'll do a separate video on this. It's a big topic actually. Account aggregator. It is the next step of CIBIL. Okay. So that is coming in. Next step of CIBIL, account aggregator. Once this comes in, then the things become more easy for the banks. Okay. What is the difference between CIBIL and account aggregator? CIBIL checks only loans, loan history. Okay. Account aggregator checks current account, savings account. It checks the statement, current, CASA, I'll write it, CASA. It checks both CASA. It checks your insurance habits, insurance, how much insurance have you paid. It checks your these bills, means investments basically. So it checks that also. So that's why account aggregator, once it comes in, it will be the next step of CIBIL, and banks will have more profound knowledge of that customer. Okay. So let's move on with this. Personal loans are basically unsecured, but it's a huge market. Banks should not lose on personal loans. If the CIBIL score is good, we must definitely finance that customer. What is a good CIBIL score? Okay, what is the minimum CIBIL score? Minimum CIBIL score, minimum is what? Type in the comment section. Minimum CIBIL score it is. Everyone type fast. It is minimum. Everyone, let me see. 300, correct. Yes. What is the maximum CIBIL score? 900, correct. Not more than 900. CIBIL can't be more than 900. 300 to 900. And what is a good CIBIL score then? Good depends on the bank to bank, but generally 700 is considered as a good CIBIL score. Okay. So now based on CIBIL, we can directly give the loans immediately, unsecured loans. Okay. Next is LAP, loan against property. Is a secured loan that is sanctioned against the asset pledged as collateral. The asset can either be owned land, house, or any other commercial premise. So LAP can be given against any of the properties. I can give the LAP against my own house, against my shop, against any office which I am owning. So any property, open land, LAP can be given against that also. Now banks have their own right to decide whether they have to give the loan against the open land or not. Okay, so that's called as LAP, loan against property. Loan against securities. Now this is similar to that of loan against shares. Here is a loan where you pledge your shares, mutual funds or life insurance policies. Here life insurance policies are never pledged. Okay, they are never pledged. LIC policies or LI policies are assigned. Always remember this word, assigned. Okay, LI policies are assigned, they are never pledged. Okay, so if the loan against securities is a loan where you pledge your shares, mutual funds and LI policies are assigned as a collateral to the bank against your loan amount. So what logic is very simple. I'll give the mutual fund which I am holding to that company, pledge them to the bank, and bank will give me the loan. Similarly shares, similarly LI policies. Okay. Gold loan. Gold loan is a loan against gold. Is a secured loan taken by the borrower from the lender by pledging their gold articles within the range of 18 to 24 carats. So gold loan is given for 18 to 24 carats only as collateral. The loan amount provided in is a certain percentage of gold, typically up to 80%. Banks give up to 80%. Some banks, see here the range varies. Some banks give from 60% to some banks give 80% also. Some banks give 85% also. But that is very riskier. Always remember. You should not go for any gold loan beyond 80%. Why? Because the rates are fluctuating so hugely. And if you give them 85 to 90% and tomorrow if the rate comes down, your bank is gone. At least in that loan. Okay. So that loan becomes an NPA then. So coming back, gold loan means the loan against pledging the gold to the bank. Okay. Now before going ahead, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app you will be getting all the premium study materials plus these classes plus the ebooks plus test, everything. Whatever we need for clearing JAIIB and CIB, you'll get it over here. Exam is not even 1 month now. Download it fast. Okay. Next one. Now let's go to the question section. Home loans are sanctioned by the banks for the following purpose. Why does the bank sanction home loan? Just now we saw it. Purchase, construction of a house, construction of a flat, purchase of a land and construction, both 1 and 3 and all of the above. So 5 options are there. Do I give the home loan for construction of flat? No. That is, what did I tell you? What is that called as? Who can give me the answer? Construction of flats is what type of finance? That is called as? Yes, builder finance. That is a builder finance. Okay. So, home loans are given for what? Purchase, construction of a house, purchase of a land and construction. But for flats it is for only purchase, no construction. Purchase of a flat, okay, that is given. Okay. So the answer is what? 1 and 3 in this case. Only 1 and 3. If it would have been over here purchase of flats, then that would also have been the answer. Then it would have been all of the above. But right now it is only both 1 and 3. Got it? Auto loans are given by the banks for the following purpose. Purchase of a new car, used car, two-wheeler and all of the above. Now this is simple. Everyone should answer this. It's so simple. Yeah. It is simple, isn't it? All of the above. All of the above, right? All of the above. Simple. Subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. Okay, tell me one thing. Right now you are watching this YouTube series, this session which I am taking. Where are you watching this? Where, on which channel of YouTube? Check it just now. You are watching it on Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. So these YouTube series are available free over here. Not only this, all the subjects YouTube series. So whatever is available free, first grab it. Then go for the paid content. So subscribe to this, click on the bell icon first so that you get the latest videos. Okay. So that's why get it on Officers Adda 24/7. Subscribe to it, click on the bell icon. Immediately do it. Exam is here very 20-25 days now, isn't it? STPL is sanctioned by the banks based on. STPL means what? Short term, small ticket personal loan, not short term. Small ticket it is called as. Small ticket means smaller loans. Okay. Personal loans, PL. Okay, PL I'll write it. Okay, small ticket personal loans. So they are sanctioned on what? CIBIL score plus income proof. Only on the basis of CIBIL. None of the above, and one or two depending on the bank. So one or two. Does any bank give it on two only on the basis of CIBIL? Does your bank give it only on the basis of CIBIL? Or do you ask for income proof? You ask for this 3 years balance sheet and then CIBIL score, right? So the correct answer is this, one or two depending on the bank. But I feel, and where the ranking is going on, the correct answer should not be 4. The correct answer should be 2. Only on the basis of CIBIL score. This STPL means small ticket, smaller loans. If I ask that customer with good CIBIL score that bring 3 years income proof, 3 years balance sheet, that customer will run away now. And how much are you giving that customer? 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 5 lakhs, not more than 5 lakhs generally. So if I am giving a loan up to 5 lakhs, it should be totally based on CIBIL score. Because CIBIL score will give you the habit of that customer, how that customer is, whether he or she is repaying the loans properly or not. So that is given by that CIBIL score only. So based on that, you can definitely take a risk of 3 to 4 lakhs, right? But in exam, if it comes, tick this, 1 or 2 depending on the bank. Okay. Personal loans are sanctioned by the banks based on salary in case of employees, monthly annual income in case of business, number of years of service in the bank, and all of the above. So what is the answer in this? Salary in case of employees, correct? For employees we have salaries. Monthly annual income in case of business, definitely for businesses. Number of years in service, so again number of years, that is also a point. And all of the above. So the answer is 4th, all of the above. Okay. In fact, I feel the answer should be none of the above, isn't it? What do you say, guys? Do you feel none of the above should be the answer? Forget everything. Nothing is needed from the above. But in exam, if it comes, it's all of the above. But remember, it should be none of the above. Why? Because it's nowadays these PLs are based on CIBIL, man. Everything is based on CIBIL. Okay. Otherwise, what happens if you go if you ask these questions to the customers, all employees, salary, then annual income, and all these things, the customer won't come to you, because now e-lenders and NBFCs are lending at the same rate as that of yours. Okay. Retail loan processing centers of the banks are designed to, means processing centers. What is this processing centers? Here it's like this. Suppose if I am having 3 banks, 3 branches, 1, 2, 3. Let's say example, 3 branches. What do? I use these branches as the collecting agents. They collect the documents and send it to the processing center over here. This bank, this bank, this bank, all of them. So these branches are customer facing, but this processing center is not customer facing. It only checks the documents and processes the loans. So source retail asset business, no. Sourcing is done by whom? It is done by the branches. So 1 is out. What about 2? Process retail loans. Yes, that can be the answer. Processing of retail loans can be the answer, isn't it? So 2 can be the answer. Do the valuation legal opinion? Oh, that is not possible by this. See here, what will this processing center do? Processing center will tell the branches that do the valuation. It won't do the valuations here. It will inform the branches to do it. Doing is not done by this retail center, processing center. Okay, that is done by the branches. So do the valuation, that is not the job of this processing center. So the answer is only 2. Okay. Now see this video courses which are, see what happens is, I have seen in banks, we don't have time because our stress, bank timing, jobs are so much stress that we don't get time to attend the batches also. I have seen many students complaining that, sir, not able to attend the batch because of bank pressure. This happens, that happens, month end, year end, week end, quarter end, anything. Wow, what is the solution to this? Here we have brought a solution. The solution is, we have brought the video courses for all the 4 subjects: PPB, IFS, AFM and retail banking. Complete video courses. These video courses include not only video courses, it includes ebooks also. Ebooks. Plus it includes tests also. So all these things are included. What do you need more? You need video courses, means lectures, then books, and then tests. That much is enough. And how many days are there? Not even 1 month. 80% off is going on. Use the code Y432. How to use this code? Let's go to Adda 24/7. Let me show you that. Okay. If you're having the app, go on the app, I would suggest, because in the app you're getting 1% extra using the coin system. Collect your coins and you'll get 1% extra. Okay, click on click on this Adda 24/7. Okay, say this. Now you are on the front page. In the app you will get it. Accessibility is very easy. Click on JAIIB and CIB. Click on JAIIB 23. Done. Now look at this. These are the these revision batches. So if you can attend these revision batches, I would always suggest you to attend the revision batches. Okay. Click on the revision batches. Click on English. Okay. Or you can click on the video courses also. I'll show you both. Say this. Date, timing, everything is given. This recorded video, this what 2 interactive classes, so you can ask the question there, and then it says recorded videos are available. Now look at the fees, 2639. Click on more offers. Put the code Y432. Click on apply. See this. 23,999. This is the new fees. 80% off. Never forget the code Y432. So you can attend these batches also, or you can attend, I would suggest, video courses of all the batches. Here, this is only single batch. You can attend video courses of various batches combined. See this video course, it's video courses. Click on this. Okay, English. You'll get the video courses of all the batches. So it's very easy also and easy to understand also. Look at the fees part, 4179. Click on more offers. Put the code Y432. Click on apply. Look at this, 80% off. So 18,999 reduces to 3,799. I would always suggest you, because 20-25 days are remaining, always suggest you to go for these video courses plus ebooks and tests. I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, bye, keep studying and do join the courses. 80% off is going on. Exam is near.